A 0.1 gram sample of aspirin is dissolved in 50 cubic centimeters of water. What is the concentration of aspirin in the solution? So first of all, I always recommend to list down the given information. And that is the mass of aspirin, which is 0.1 grams, and the volume of water, and that is 50 cubic centimeters, and the molar mass of aspirin, which is 180 grams per mole. Good. Before we continue, it's important to convert the volume to liters or cubic decimeters because that helps you avoid mistakes and keep things consistent. So to convert it, you only need to divide it by 1,000. So just take the 50 and divide it by 1,000. Feel free to plug it in a calculator. When you simplify this, what you're going to get is 0.05 liters or 0 cubic decimeters. It doesn't really matter because this are the same. It's the same. So moving on. This equals 0.05 liters. Cool. Now to determine the concentration, our main formula for molar concentration or molarity is concentration equals the number of moles divided by the volume. Keep in mind the volume of water and number of moles of aspirin. So we do have the volume of water, and that is 0.05 liters. We do not have the number of moles of aspirin, so we need to calculate it. And to do that, you simply have to divide the mass of aspirin by the molar mass of aspirin. So this equals 0.1 grams divided by 180 grams per mole. Dope. When you plug these values into a calculator, what you're gonna get is, let me just do it real fast. Okay, 0.0005555 moles. And we can simplify this into its scientific notation form, and that is 5.56 times 10 raised to the negative 4 moles. So remember, they are the same but in a different notation. The first one it's called the decimal form, and the second one the scientific notation. So moving on, let's take this value with okay, concentration equals 5.56 times 10 raised to the negative 4 moles divided by 0.05 liters. Concentration equals 0. Concentration equals 0. Let me just write it down. 0.0112 moles per liter. 1 0.11 times 10 raised to the negative 2 moles per liter. And this is our final answer. Okay.